BHATTEXT function converts number to text. Baht is the name of official currency of Thailand. This function converts number to Thai language text. This is the name of function. This function has only one argument. In number argument, select the number. BHATTEXT function converts the selected number to Thai language text. Click cancel. Active this cell. In Formulas tab, Function Library Group. Click Text arrow button. Click BHATTEXT function. The function arguments dialog box opens. In number box, select this number. Click OK. Function returns number in Thai language text. Paste the formula in other cells. Double click. To check what is in text, copy the text and paste in Google Translate. Active this cell. Right click. Click copy. Paste here. The Thai language text shows 1256 baht only. So these numbers are basically baht currency values. BHATTEXT function converts these currency values in Thai language text. This number is 470. The text in Thai language is 470 baht. So BHATTEXT function converts number to Thai language text.